This week I have with us Lindsay and Justin Gonzalez. They own JustFit Meal Prep. They deal with everything from having refrigerators at gyms and different businesses, and they have the meals prepped in there, to doing something that I like to do, which is I pre-order from you guys weekly, and I get 5 beautiful, awesome meals with double protein or whatever they need to put into it. And so let's get into this more. I want to learn how JustFit started.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I don't know which one of you two, I know that you're married. I don't know if the business started before you were married or happened
It started
after.
before we were married.
We were together.
We were together.
Mm-hmm.
We had just moved back to Charleston. I had a friend post on Facebook that he was interested in food prep. And I reached out to him. I was like, I can do it. Like, I do it for me and my girlfriend. And I kind of said I did it for my clients already. I was just saying it. So it was a trickle effect. I started making food for him, just kept posting on Facebook, and it just grew like so fast.
Just like wildfire.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And so you're the chef.
I am the chef.
So Justin's a chef. Did you always love cooking? Like, where did this come from?
So I'm the youngest of 3 boys. My mom has always worked 2 jobs. So yeah, I always just enjoyed helping out around the house. I've always cooked, and whatever leftovers we had, I used to always just like switch up the meals and try to make something better from like previous nights.
Very creative with what you have in the pantry.
Yeah. So from there, I just always enjoyed. I don't have a culinary background. I just have a personal training background and a business background, and it just took off.
And speaking of that, this is why I've loved my JustFit meals so much, is because I know, Justin, that you dabbled in and love bodybuilding.
Absolutely.
And if you don't know this, and you're not in the fitness industry, but bodybuilders are extremely particular about your macronutrients.
Sure.
If your food's being cooked in oils or butters, things like that. So I knew going into this before I started ordering meals, because I knew Justin's background, and between that and Lindsay loving and passionate about nutrition, I was like, these meals are going to be cooked perfectly in the way that I want them. Do you think that background of being a bodybuilder and being a trainer helps you?
Yeah, so absolutely. So being a bodybuilder, an old school bodybuilder, like I used to boil my chicken twice. I used to cook my tilapia until it was burnt, just so I could just get all this nutrition in, right? So for me, being Filipino and Italian, I'm all about flavors. So I wanted to like show to people that they can eat healthy and also have a lot of flavor. And then,
Yeah, and originally I think like the menu was really created based on like what he liked to eat and the way he liked to eat. And then I would kind of come in and be like, well, here's how I like to eat, and here's some things that we should throw in there and change up. So it's like we kind of started like meshing our two, because it's completely opposite how we like to eat. Not completely opposite, but like our flavor palettes and the things that like I love to eat high fats, and he's kind of like low fats, and we kind of like combined our 2 ways of eating and meshed it into like one, one menu.
Yeah, so you already basically got into the answer of a question I was about to ask, and that was bringing it to you, Lindsay. And in my opinion, overall business-wise, and we can get into this later, but I think it's awesome to have a female and a male.
oh my God.
When it comes to this meal prep and understanding nutrition, and how complicated, much more complicated in my opinion, it is for females when it comes to nutrition and hormones and things like that. Tell me the role. So it started with you making this off of Facebook, your buddy off of Facebook. And when did Miss Lindsay come into the picture of this?
I think
business?
I'm always like very opinionated, and like I think from day one I was like, okay, what's going on here? What are you doing? But like I have a background in marketing and advertising, and that was like I worked in the corporate world forever, and that was really kind of my area of expertise. So when this started taking off, I was working remotely, and I had already been through nutrition school. I got my yoga certification, background in sports, whatever. And I'm like, this is kind of like the perfect thing for me to get started in and help you with. And it's cool because like we work together. We have 2 separate roles though, so it doesn't feel like we're not on top of each other. I don't mess with what he does in the kitchen, and then he kind of, you know, he'll give me his opinions on like some of the like, you know, back end stuff that I do. I do all the website stuff and all the. Well, now we've got, you know, Oliver and a whole team doing our social media, thank God. But, you know, creatively, like I'm a creative person and I have a lot of good ideas and he does as well, but like they mesh so well together. So, but it is cool to have 2 different perspectives on health and nutrition, especially with him being a bodybuilder. And, you know, I mean, I did a little bit of that, macro, keeping track of my macros, and did a few shows. It wasn't for me, but it taught me a lot about my body. And I think that I try to take that into mind whenever we're changing out the menus and thinking about, you know, everybody as a whole. Like, how do we make everybody happy? So.
And then also you have a background in soccer.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Both of us.
That's right.
We both played soccer
We
in
both
college.
played soccer in college.
I played soccer at Georgia Southern.
Yeah.
She played soccer.
I played at a small private school in Missouri called William Jewell. But it was a passion for both of us. So I think that was just growing up playing sports was always just a big motivator for me to, you know, always treat my body really well and be serious about my nutrition and my workouts. Like, I mean, I've been lifting weights since I was in high school. And so, over time, like, just, you know, I've learned a lot about my body, and I also know, like, not everybody's the same. You know, if people ask me, like, what do you do? And I'm like, well, I can tell you what I do, but it might not work for you.
Exactly.
So,
and with that, and that's where JustFit Kitchen plays a great big role, right?
Yeah.
So being a 100% customizable meal prep company that, you know, we can cater to you, we can cater to her, we can cater to anyone and their needs. And that's where we are different than any other food prep company in Charleston.
That's huge too, and that's sort of what I was going to get into. I think we can all agree. I tell my clients and anybody around the gym or who's interested in working out is that, in my opinion, I'd say 75-85% of this equation of getting fit and working out and being healthy is what you consume.
Absolutely.
And you guys, it sounds like, I know of personal clients, I know myself, orders from you guys. You have a different array of clients, I'm sure, and I don't know how many customers you have, but I'm guessing you're ranging from athletes to the average Joe like me, to actors, or
you're no
people
average
like
Joe.
No, but anyway, what you were getting into is like, so me personally is I ask for double protein.
Yeah.
Not like I'm a massive guy or anything, but it helps fill me up more.
For sure.
And what's great is I just get 5 meals a week, and those 5 meals, like, I'm nonstop. Like this morning, I was from 4 a.m. till 12 without any break. And so it was nice to have a meal in the fridge that I could go grab at work, and then I just heat up for 2 minutes and I'm good to go to eat.
Because it's fresh, it's convenience, and it's portion control.
And stay on that freshness. Like, exactly, like, what is I know you have some crazy work schedule.
Yeah, so
Tell everybody what your work schedule is.
So my crew and myself, we go into the kitchen on Saturdays, starting like 4 p.m., and we cook through the night, we prep through the night, and then we deliver as soon as we're done. So like our delivery drivers come in at 7:30, deliver throughout all of Charleston. I mean,
So on Sundays they're delivering.
yeah. So because we're cooking through the night, so we don't sleep.
You
on
cook
Saturday
all
nights.
night Saturday
all
night.
night long. Yeah.
And who's the crew? Tell me about the crew.
I mean, my crew's it's a young team, but like they've been with me for 3 years, right? So I mean, some are seniors in high school, some just graduated high school, but they're best friends. They come in, they get to hang out, and we just,
they call you Papa.
They call me Papa, like
He's kind of like their.
I'm like their father figure mentor,
Big Papa.
right? Yeah. So it's like we all get to have fun and work together.
And now we just hired.
And now we finally just hired an executive chef, so hopefully I can slowly take steps back inside the kitchen, so we can focus on like moving forward and growing JustFit Kitchen even more.
Does that mean you don't have to stay up every Saturday night?
Not yet. We're
you
not
know,
there
you know
yet.
what? I mean, he's trustworthy and very loyal, and he can get it going. But you know, since it's JustFit Kitchen is our baby, that like I want to be there. I want, you know, I just
It's
want
hard
to
to
make
let
sure.
go.
Yeah, I want to make sure the quality's there.
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
No. I mean, I totally
Yeah.
understand it with ethos.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I just, people ask me all the time, they're like, oh my gosh, you're always here.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're
I mean,
always
you're still
talking about it.
training.
Blah, blah,
It's
blah.
like, yeah.
But when you own the business or have some kind of partnership in it, it's like, it's not work.
No, exactly.
So I love being here, and
Like
I
I said,
love being
yeah.
around all the people.
And
so-
it's like I said, going in the kitchen, it's like they're like my sons, right? So we all go there and we just get to hang out and just talk trash to each other, and we're gonna have fun. Yeah, it's just a fun environment.
I always say they should mic them up in the kitchen because it is hilarious.
There's a little too much trash talking between the friends.
That's awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
So there's no other night. It's always Saturday.
Saturday through the night, absolutely.
Got it.
But then, you know, ever since we added our refrigerator into Ethos, we do refill the fridge on Thursday morning. So we'll go in early Thursday to do some small prep and refill the fridge. But besides that, yeah, it's just a weekend gig.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
So
man.
and with off of that too is there different outlets to the business besides what I said earlier? Is it just the fridges and just like individuals pre-ordering meals? Are those the two things?
So,
that you primary?
so currently, yes, that's what we have going on now. Eventually, you know, we do want to do the JustFit Kitchen cafes and just open up, I mean, in multiple locations. And eventually, Lindsay's from Kansas City, so
Would love to
we
open in Kansas
want to
City.
open one
Just
in Kansas City.
as like a personal
Yeah,
thing.
not a franchise, just us personally
Yeah.
doing it, finding the perfect team out there.
I think for
Just
us,
hiring
like,
people.
we don't want to ever lose the quality of the food because what we hear so much is like people who, you know, order from the big name food prep companies that get the food delivered to them. It just doesn't taste the same. And it's because we cook the food fresh. So originally when we started this, we're like, yeah, you know, we could grow and we could ship the food. And as we started realizing that people actually loved it because of what we were
Freshness.
currently doing,
Yeah.
we were like, well, if we start shipping, that's going to completely change what we're doing right now. So how do we grow this company without compromising the processes that we're doing currently? And that's just potentially opening some new locations. That's down the road. So,
Yeah.
you know, right now we're focused on Charleston and continuing to grow here. And
Yeah, because we don't even do marketing. We don't really market our brand. It's just word of mouth,
Social media,
right? So we like to keep it like that because, you know,
a little quieter.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and not to name names, and we don't have to do it, but as you can hear, the process here is you guys stay up all night on Saturday nights. You start delivering the meals Sunday morning. I know I get mine on Sundays. And compared to other companies, meal prep companies, do you know exactly what their process is? I know some of them, I'm guessing, I'm guessing, I'm not gonna say their names, but they make them and then boom, they put them in a freezer and they
Yeah.
deliver them across the
For
country.
sure. For sure.
But with you guys, there's no freezer.
There's
You know
no
what I mean?
freezer, so like we don't add preservatives to our food. Everything's fresh. We don't cook with any oils, so that's why we can keep the macros lower, right? So everything's portion control. So most meals have 4 ounces of protein, 4 ounces of carbs, 3 to 4 ounces of vegetables.
And I have to say that, and this is to kind of like all of our processes, we didn't actually ever like research anybody else.
Yeah.
This was all just him figuring things out as he went along and figuring out what worked best for him. And so we were just kind of always doing our own thing, figuring it out. And as we went along, sure, we would get ideas from like other companies, like, oh, they're doing that would be cool, or oh, they had this kind of packaging, that looks nice. But mostly like our processes are just all through trial and error as we went along. And you know, we have some ideas for, you know, we're never like totally satisfied with what we're doing. We have plans for, you know, improving some of our processes and adding some cool equipment in the future that's just gonna, you know,
Preserve the freshness.
preserve the
longer.
freshness
Yeah.
longer. And yeah, so, you know, we're never satisfied.
Yeah.
That's what
especially me.
that's what they say about driven people is I mean, to this day, it's like I'll wake up in the middle of the night, 2 a.m.,
Yeah.
and think of some, I'm like, oh my gosh, we're behind in this or that.
Yeah.
Totally.
But in next week's episode, we're going to talk more in detail about nutrition.
Yeah.
But before we get to that, you dabbled on something there is when it comes to the business, and running your own business, what do you guys, what's your biggest issue? What's the hardest thing that you've had to deal with, and how many years have you guys been doing this? What was the hardest thing in the past, and what's the hardest thing right now?
So we've been in business for a little over 4.5 years. I mean, honestly, just time, right? It's like finding time to get. So I mean, we have so much that we want to do, but it's finding the time to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But it sounds like great leaders develop other great leaders.
Absolutely.
That's the way it should be. And so you hiring an executive chef, yeah, you got your crew, you started with that, and it was just you to begin with, and you got the crew, now you got an executive chef.
Absolutely.
This is how you create more time.
For sure.
But also,
But it took us 4 years. It took us 4.5 years to finally bring someone on full time as an employee that we trust, we respect. Everyone looks up to him. I mean, my biggest thing was my mom met him and she loved him. So as soon as I knew that she loved him and he loved her and he treated her nice, I was like,
Yeah.
he's perfect fit.
His Italian mom.
What a great
You gotta get
interview
past the
process.
Italian
I'm
mom.
a mama's boy, so.
I'm gonna pull my mom in for our
Yeah.
interview.
For sure.
Smoke all
No,
the
There you
absolutely.
go, do
And
it.
honestly, that's what it is. Like we're very family driven, right? And so is he. So I knew he blended well with the company, our business.
We'll love it.
Yeah.
Awesome, guys. This is JustFit Kitchen with Justin and